Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube force stop. If YouTube is force stopping on your device, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue and make sure you watch the video till the end. First, what you have to do is restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix app-related problems. You could also update the YouTube app. In order to do that, go to your Play Store, look out for the YouTube and tap over here, and there will be an option showing you update. You simply need to tap on that in order to update your YouTube. Or you could also go to your device setting, go to press the YouTube app like this and go to the app information and select the stories and cache, and in the bottom clear the cache, or you could also clear the data or clear the storage, and this can sometimes resolve issues with the app. Or you could also go back to the Google Play Store, and if none of the steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube app. This can often fix more persistent issues. Or if the problem still persists, you may need to contact YouTube support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the issue you're experiencing and they may be able to help. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix YouTube force stop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.